With the tension over the migrant issue, a lot of you have questions about how this could or should be handled. And joining me now is Pallavi Ahluwalia, and she's an immigration attorney in Dallas. And thanks for joining us. You obviously deal with people every day who go through the immigration process legally. What usually happens?
Yes, this is of great concern and also has the attention of everyone. Immigration is sought through different methods and asylum is just one of them. At this time, when someone's eligible for this protection, they come to the border, or if they are present in the U.S. on a visa, they can ask for an affirmative asylum. And asylum is given usually to refugees, and that's defined by the UN. And this was defined in 1951 and then by a 1967 protocol that later on was adopted by the US in 1967 as well as in 1980.
So would that have been available to any of these families who've crossed the border who are now being detained?
Yes, so when someone presents themselves at the border and they don't have a visa to enter the U.S., they are eligible for expedited removal, which means that they are coming into the border and they don't have papers to enter the country. And at that point, they can ask for asylum, and that is an ask that they make to the Custom Border Protection officer who they are talking to and when they present themselves.
And we've heard that some said they were trying to seek asylum. What are the requirements to officially apply for asylum in this country, and is that being slowed down right now?
Well, the definition of a refugee has not changed. A refugee is someone who is fleeing persecution and belongs to either race, nationality, religion, or has a political opinion, or belongs to a social group for which and their views or something that they're doing, they're facing persecution in their countries. Obviously, their countries cannot protect them, and that's the reason they're coming to the U.S. to seek asylum. So in terms of that's what is eligibility, and then when they're here at the border, they first go through the Custom Border Protection, and after that to an asylum officer, which is a USCIS officer. And if they have credible fear that defines whether they have a fear of being returned back to their home country, then they are put into immigration proceedings to be looked at by a judge. Now, at this time, they still may remain detained.
Okay, Pallavi Ahluwalia, thank you so much for joining us, an immigration attorney in Dallas. Thanks for your insight.